Hey Beat Beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I am Beatby.E, and if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can become a Beat Beauty, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So it's been a while since I have done an eyebrow routine. I think the last eyebrow video I did was like maybe 2 years ago, and I don't even think I use those products anymore. So I'm going to give you my 2018 eyebrow tutorial slash routine, walkthrough, talk through, whatever. So right now I have a bare face. All I have on is moisturizer, so I'm going to come back with a full face on except for my eyebrows and my eyeshadow, and I will walk you through the products that I use, the brushes that I use, and basically show you how I get my eyebrows. So if you guys want to catch up with me and see how I do my eyebrows, keep watching. Okay guys, so I have already done my face. As you can see, the only thing that I need to do are my eyebrows. So I am going to go ahead and do the eyebrows and walk you guys through it. Starting out, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set in Dark Brunette. I'm going to outline my eyebrows with the angled brush, just doing short, light strokes. That way I have less margin of error. Now I'm going to go above my eyebrow and create the arch that I want, and also fill in the tail of my eyebrow. Without re-dipping my brush into my pomade, I am filling in my eyebrows in the same direction that my eyebrow hairs lay, and then I'm also filling in the front of my eyebrow, creating the illusion of hairs. Now I'm taking my spoolie brush and I'm brushing my hairs towards the front of my eyebrow just to blend the pomade so it has a nice natural effect. And then I'm brushing up my hair so that I can blend out the lines and have no harsh lines. I'm going to continue the same exact process on my other brow and then move on to cleaning up with concealer. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand and going underneath my eyebrow just to clean up the line that I created and to define the shape of my eyebrow. I'm using a Miracle Complexion Spun by Real Techniques and blending the concealer, that way there are no harsh lines when I do my eyeshadow. Okay guys, so that is my brow routine. Hopefully it was easy enough. I really just use like 2 products really. I will go over my eyebrows or like my eye with the powder that I use to sleep away my translucent powder, just to make sure my eyes and my face are one color. And then other than that, I'll put on my eyeliner and go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like more tutorials on simple things like my face, my eyebrows, how I do my lips, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see. And I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget, whatever life throws at you, beat the odds. All right, see you guys later. Bye.